Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video, I will make a web with Laravel and Livewire. So, as you guys already know, when we want to make a new file with Laravel, you can just like go make a new file like this, but you have to go to the open git bash or your terminal, and then you have to write it like this. Composer CRUD project Laravel, or you can just go to installation Laravel and you can just copy it like this. Then because I already finished creating my folder, I'm just gonna open it here. And then as always, because we're gonna using Bootstrap and something like that, so we have to go to our terminal in here. Then I'm gonna write composer require Laravel. This is for downloading the UI. Then it's gonna skip until it's finished. Okay, because I'm already finished my download UI, because we're gonna use Bootstrap. Here I'm gonna write PHP artisan UI bootstrap main out like this and just enter and then okay. You can see here they already told us to do this, so I'm just gonna do it, the npm install and run dev, and I'm just gonna skip it until I finish the download. I'm already finishing my npm install here, npm and npm run dev. So after that, we're gonna go to make a new terminal. Make a new terminal. Then here I'm gonna write PHP artisan serve. Yes. And then after that, because we're gonna make it with Livewire. You can just go in this web Livewire and search for the quick start, and then here you can just copy it here and write down in here. You have to make a new file, new terminal. I mean, there. I'm just gonna skip it until it finishes. Okay, because we already finished it. Here, the next thing you have to do is add Livewire styles and Livewire scripts in top of close tag hat and close tag body. So I'm just gonna copy it. And then go to your Visual Studio Code, then click resource and then choose. Go for this one, applet, and paste it there. And the next one, this one, is here. Like this. And you can just go to here immediately and then open the lihat sumber halaman or view page resource. And then as you can see here, we already have the Livewire style and the Livewire script. That means you can already add the data of the Livewire. And the next thing is because we want to use the database. That's why we're gonna go to configure, then change the name of the database. I'm just gonna change it to Lara Livewire like this. Then we have to go to our localhost 2 and make a new one, the same as we write in the Visual Studio Code, Lara Livewire. Create, and then after that we can just PHP artisan migrate here. Then as you can see here, we already have a new table inside this Lara Livewire. And then after that, because we don't have any users here, so we're gonna add a new one. And then we're gonna register in here. We're gonna make a new like user. Just enter as up to you. And then it's gonna write Lara here, Lara at Lara Elway at gmail.com for this. Register. Oh, register. And as you can see here, I'm already adding a new. That means I'm already adding a new data here. And when you refresh, yeah, here my data that I just entered is already being entered. So after that, we're just gonna go to back to our Visual Studio Code. Okay, next you can see here this. The next thing you have to do is create a component. So I'm just gonna copy it here. And then go to our Visual Studio Code again. And then after that, I'm gonna paste it here. But the counter, because the counter is for the name of the file, so I'm just gonna check it into input data. You see here, we already finished it. And that means we have a new file in the views, is Livewire. And then in the app, HTTP Livewire, this one, and this one. Okay. Next is in this home page, we have this section content. The section content is this one. You are logged in one. So because we want to change it into our live into database here, we have to go to database. We have already have this, so I'm just gonna delete it. And in this home base data, this, from this div until this div inside of the section content, I'm just gonna copy it and paste it in here like this. And then because we want to make it, we want to change the combat into data, you have to go to app, applet in here, applet, then in this build content, you can just delete it and change it to app Livewire input data. You have to write it the same as this name file, like this, and you can just save it. Don't forget to check the other one, is it already saved or not. And you can go to your here again, refresh it. Oh, it's not changed because the thing we put in here is the same. So I'm just gonna uh this one. I'm just gonna delete, and then after that I'm just gonna write test here, and see it's already working because we already changed and deleted. So after that, because we know it's already working, we have to go to our Bootstrap, search for Bootstrap, and then search for this, the second one. Copy paste for the link. Copy paste and paste it in the app. Put it in this, in here above the text, post text head, like this. And then this one to script one, you have to copy it too and paste it in this space, like this. Then after that, you have to go to the Livewire again, search for properties, this one, properties, and then scroll up until you find data binding. And then you have to copy it. Then I'm just gonna uh, paste it. Oh wait, and then after that, because you want to have an form here in this input data, so you can just go to Bootstrap and search for forms. And you can just scroll up and you can just search, take this one. I'm just gonna have it from here, here, here. Just click the copy and put it here. And I'm just gonna change it a little bit so it's gonna be the same as I want. Okay, as you can see here, this is already the same as I want. It's gonna be like this. So when we go here to our web, you can see here we already have this product and this description. Next, you have to go to the Livewire web again, search for properties, and then scroll up until you find this data binding. Copy underwire model message here, copy, and you have to put it inside this input. And I'm gonna change this one into product. copy here this one for description. Yes, like this. And then after that, you have to go to Bootstrap again, search for button, and then this one, I'm gonna use this one, so I'm just gonna copy the first one here. Then go to my Visual Studio Code again. You have to paste it below this close tag card body, right? Then after that, you have to go to this input data, this input data PHP, and above this, I'm gonna make a new public dollar product. Close it like this, and then I'm gonna copy it and change this one into description. Description like this. We're gonna go here again, and then this one we're gonna make it back to field content. I'm just gonna select this one. Then after that, I'm gonna go here again. Here I'm gonna add extend layout if selection content extend. What is it? Then after that, I'm gonna go to web, here web, and then this one, I'm gonna change all of this. This here into this one. Then after that, we're gonna make a new model for this. So here we're gonna write PHP description, make model, input in M, so it's gonna make a migration like this. We're gonna go to the migration first. Migration, I'm gonna make a new field. One I'm gonna write string, then inside it I'm gonna write name. I'm just gonna copy it and change this one into description like this. After that, I'm gonna write PHP artisan here. So when we go to localhost PHP and reload, there will be our inputs version here, our table. Then after that, we're gonna go to our model, new model here, this one. Then in here, I'm gonna write protected dollar label. The first one is name. The second one is description. Description. Then forget to close it like this. Then after that, in here, I'm gonna write again public function. Public function. Function. Save. Save. Color this. Value. First one name. Required. It and this one is the description. Close it. Then that I input. It has to be able to complete the models here like this. And then get senior name dollar name. I'm gonna copy it and change this one to description. This. Then after that, you have to go to the input data tablet. Then set is below the card body. I'm gonna write form. Then in this section, I'm just gonna delete it and change it into wire. Submit event. Like this. Then in this close tag, I'm just gonna move it into here, like this. And then after that, I'm gonna change this one into name. This one to name. And here too, I'm gonna change this one to name, like this. Don't forget, change the type button into sub. Then this one too, change it into submit. Then I'm just gonna delete this one. And this one too. And after that, I'm gonna add new one here. Add error name when as manager close are and then the end of the error and error. Then I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here and change this name into dash in this. And then after that, when you go here, refresh, then here, and I'm gonna write Laravel like this. And when you click submit, it's gonna add to here. Right here. So as you can see here, we already have the data that we used to data. And after that, next we're gonna make the page so we can see the data that we just add. First, we have to go to this input and then right here I'm gonna make a new tag like this with class with the end three, and then right here I'm gonna write flow. Wait, it's not just a button, but it is not a tag. It's also a button, so I'm just gonna cut it. And class, the name of the class is 4. Like this. I'm gonna write button here, and I'm gonna class and cut this one inside the button. Yes. Then after that, we're gonna make the Livewire for the this one. How to make the view data. Artisan make Livewire view. Please enter. Then after that, you can go to the web. Copy this one. Then here I'm gonna change to view data, and then the latest one. Change this one into view data. You have to use the autocomplete. This one, like this. And then after that, here I'm gonna copy this one and change this ref into this one, like this. Then you can just go to this input data, copy this, paste it into here too, like this. Go to the page, because we want this content again, we're just gonna copy it again, then paste it in to database. This one, like this. Then after that, in here, I'm just gonna change it into that. Wait, so that like this. After that, here I'm just gonna delete it like this. And because we want to show a data, so we are gonna use a table. Right here, I'm just gonna take it from Bootstrap again. Search for table. This. Then I'm just gonna take this one. Yes, this one. Oh no. I'm gonna take the first one, I think. Yes, this one. Copy it and paste it here. Because I'm just gonna use this TH and one TD, so I'm just gonna uh, delete this one. This, so it's just gonna be here. And the first one is for a number, so I'm just gonna write nodes here. This is for the name. This is for the description. And this one is for actions. And then because this is for the action right here, I'm just gonna make the first one is button with class with the end danger. This is for the delete button. But when we go here and go to our Laravel, you can see here we already have this view data button, and when we click it, it's gonna go to our table, and we have already this here. So after that, view data, I'm gonna make a new. I'm gonna write a new one here. Public dollar data like this. Then inside here, I'm gonna make a new $1 this data data input of close like this. And then after that, go to the view data blade again. Wait, go to the view data blade, and then right here, we're gonna change inside it so we can see the data that we have. Here I'm just gonna write dollar index plus one like this, and this one I'm gonna write dollar data one for $data description description like this. And after that, because we want to take it from the data and we're gonna make the perulangan, so we're gonna add for each, using for each dollar task as dollar index dollar data like this. And add, don't forget to add and of for like this. Then don't forget this delete. We're gonna add wire click delete dollar data ID. Forget close it like this. Go to data again. I'm gonna make a new one again. Public function delete. This is for the process of delete. Dollar ID is dollar data input find dollar ID dollar data delete because we want to delete, so we will write delete here and like this. There we go here. And click this delete button. You can see we already can delete our data. Here too, data is already been deleted. And after that, because we already made to create the delete, next is we're gonna make for the update. Again, right here I'm gonna write PHP artisan make Livewire, but this one change this into update like this. And again, go to the web. Just gonna copy this one, paste it here. This one I'm gonna change to this, but we're gonna add parameter ID because when we're gonna add something, it based on the ID. That's why we're add parameter ID. Then change this one into update. Change this one into update too. Wait, this one into up like this. And then we have to go to the input database. No, yes, no. View database again, and then after that, because we just have this button, so we're gonna add one for the update. And here I'm gonna add a date key, then this give it for the wrap again, button with class and memory, and then the root, because we're gonna use ref, that's when we're gonna use root. That's why we write root here. Then because we're gonna use this update. So I'm just gonna copy update here and go to the view data again and it's like this. But I'm gonna add ID $data like this. Then after that, right here, between the button tag, right up like this. Then go to the update data PHP. I'm gonna copy this one again, put it here. And after that, we're gonna make new one again, new public $name plus copy this one for the test. This one is for data underscore ID like this. We're gonna make a new public two again, public function mount $ID and put where ID $ID first. Okay. Then next dollar this data ID and I'm gonna copy so it gonna just and this one description like this. And then go to the update the tablet. Just gonna copy it from the and then I'm just gonna take it from the because it's gonna be a form again, so we're gonna take it from the input. Control of A and B. Right, I'm just gonna take it from the container. Control C, copy it, and paste it in here. Wait. I'm gonna copy again because here this Then after that, I'm gonna change this one into update data. This is for the save button, so I'm gonna go make a new public function again. Public function save dollar validate name required this, copy it, and change this one into description. And then I'm just gonna finish my coding in here. Then it's gonna be right like this, and then click the update. So as you can see here, we can see our data will here, and if we want to change it like this one, I'm gonna change it into capital, submit, then it's gonna the data here it's gonna change like this.